Hi, Ayla Beauty. Dr. Macrene Alexiades here to answer all your beauty questions about what procedures to do in each decade. Well, many people may not know that skin aging starts in our 20s. That's when we start to lose collagens and elastin. So I recommend that starting in your 20s, you may want to consider a light chemical peel from time to time. In our 30s, that's when fine lines and some early brown spots may start to appear. So that's maybe when you're going to consider doing something like IPL, intense pulse light, or a Genesis treatment or a light Fraxel. Finally, by the time we're in our 40s, you're going to want to consider injectables, such as Botox for lines that may form in the upper face, and maybe a touch of filler to lift and fill creases. In our 50s, you want to be aware of skin laxity that can form along the jawline, and that's when I would recommend a skin surface radiofrequency technology to tighten the skin. By the time we're in our 60s, you're going to want to think about resurfacing, because by that time, a lot of sun damage and wrinkles may have accumulated. And this is like something like a carbon dioxide laser or a deep fractional carbon dioxide laser for rejuvenation. In terms of risk factors, when you're doing a peel or you're doing lasers, you have to worry about a burn, and so you need to be in experienced hands. When it comes to injectables, one of the risks I want you to be aware of is if the filler accidentally gets in a vessel, this can cause blindness, so you want a very experienced injector. Now, what is my life passion? To replace all these procedures with active ingredients. I am very busy formulating using a cocktail of active ingredients that you would apply to your skin twice a day, every day, that replace the effects that procedures do. So for example, peptides can fight fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid fills to replace filler. Amino acid derivatives brighten to replace things like IPL. And plant-derived extracts can reduce unwanted broken capillaries. All this with DNA repair to stave off aging in real time, and you have a winning combination that can provide you with the actives you need to prevent the need for all these procedures. Thanks, Ellen. Hope to see you again soon.